Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Amy and we are Softtrix, a Google Premier partner with over 15 years of experience in helping businesses succeed with Google AdWords. Today I am excited to share a story about how we have transformed an e-commerce business selling energy monitoring solutions into a high-performing online store through strategic Google shopping campaigns. When the client reached out to us, they were facing significant challenges. Despite offering an extensive range of products including the digital energy meters, multimeters and the circuit breaker, their sales were stagnant. Their existing Google AdWords campaign lacked focus and the efficiency, leading to wasted ad spend with little return. They needed a solution that could drive high intent traffic, improve conversions and boost revenue. We have started by focusing on the Google shopping campaigns, which we knew could deliver the visibility and the impact they needed. First, we have conducted a detailed analysis of their product catalog. High demanded products such as the digital energy meters and the multimeters were prioritized, while the low performing items received minimal budget allocation. This allowed us to concentrate on the products with the highest potential for sales. Next, we have optimized their product feed in the Google Merchant Center. Titles and the descriptions were rewritten to include the highly relevant and search-friendly keywords. For instance, phrases like affordability, digital energy meters and top-rated multimeter for electricians were added to improve the ad's relevance and the visibility by Google. By doing this, we ensured their ads appeared in front of the right audiences. Pricing played a crucial role in our strategy. The client's competitive pricing advantage were predominantly displayed in the ads, with offers like save 20% on the digital energy meters today and the lowest prices on the multimeters guaranteed. This not only grabbed the attention but also gave potential buyers an extra reason to choose their store. To capture even more conversion, we have just implemented the dynamic remarketing campaign. These ads showcased a product that shoppers had previously viewed, combined with the time-sensitive offers to encourage them to complete their purchase. The results were outstanding. In just 2 months, the client saw monthly revenue soar to $146,000 with the ROAS of 5.63. For every dollar spent on the ads, the client earned over $5 in return. Website traffic increased by 50%, driven largely by the high-quality visitors actively searching for the product. Shopping campaign became the cornerstone for their success, consistently delivering the excellent results. Their story highlights how a tailored strategy, constant optimization, and the data-driven decision-making can unlock the full potential of the Google shopping campaigns. By optimizing their product feed, targeting the right audiences, and emphasizing the product pricing, we helped this e-commerce business achieve record-breaking sales and growth. If you are an e-commerce store owner struggling to see the results with your Google AdWords, then we can help. Share your budget and the Google AdWords account details, and then we will provide you with a detailed audit along with the actionable recommendation. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more real success stories and the expert tips.